Okay, I have received a package and I'm going to open it. I guess what it is. Let's see what it is. Okay, I have cut part of it and you can see it looks like a telescope. You can see red here, Skywatcher. So it's one of the Skywatcher telescopes. And let's open this second package and see what is inside. Oh, Sky-Watcher Heritage-100. Oh, that's my favorite telescope. Just because of this mount. The telescope itself is good, but the mount, and I wish they sold the mount separate so I don't need to buy this again. But anyway, let's see. Let's see what is inside. Okay, I have now turned over the telescope. This is the top part of it. It's a Skywatcher Heritage-100. Let's open it. I cannot wait. I love these unboxings. That's the top part. The foam protects the tube of the telescope. Then we go inside the telescope. I see something which is, I will look at it later. I see some brochure, different models of the telescope. All of them are lovely. Best telescope you can buy, from the simplest to the biggest Dobsonians. Oh, 2017. That's a nice thing to have here. A bit dust. Okay, that's the cap. That's the main inside of the telescope. That's a mirror. Okay, I'll put the telescope out, and in the box I can see, oh, another guide. Another guide. Interesting. This is how to put the instruction manual and astronomy telescope user guide. These are standard. And a cap, which I think is for this part. Let me put the tube, the box down. Telescope looks nice, beautiful. Okay, let's see what was in that box. We start here. Oh, another cap. Oh, Super 25 wide angle long eye relief LER eyepiece. Let me just empty that. Nothing else in the box. Doesn't look. Oh, a Barlow with a lens in it. Eyepiece. Super 10. This is the Barlow. This is the eyepiece. And this is the final telescope. I'm going to remove this lens cap, put a 25mm eyepiece there. It's a focuser. That's the 25mm eyepiece. And we are going to have a look. And now we are going to look at something with this.